Welcome to Coloring Stars. Hello, little artists. Do you love apples? Apples are round, juicy, and super yummy. Apples are very healthy. They make us strong and give us energy, help us run and play, and keep us happy and smart. That's why we should eat apples every day. Today we will color 8 beautiful apples. Apples grow on trees. They start as tiny flowers and then turn into big, delicious apples. Today we are going to color 8 apples in beautiful, bright rainbow colors. Let's start coloring. First, we color the red apple. Wow, so bright and shiny. Red apples are sweet and juicy. Now, let's color the pink apple. So pretty. Pink apples look soft and tasty. Now, let's color the yellow apple. It looks like sunshine. Time for the orange apple. Look, it's so warm and bright.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round.
Here comes the green apple. Green apples are a little sour but very yummy. Now let's color the light blue apple. So cool and fresh.
Swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town.
Time for the purple apple. Purple apples are magical.
The wheels on the bus.
And last, the dark blue apple. It looks so beautiful.
Yeah! The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all through the town.
Now let's color leaves.
The wheels on the bus.
Wow, 8 colorful apples. So bright and happy. Now let's add some glitter. Let's start with the red apple. Wow, it's sparkling. Now the pink apple. So shiny and cute. Let's make the yellow apple sparkle like the sun. Time for the orange apple. It's glowing. Now the green apple. It looks fresh and bright. for the light blue apple. So magical. The purple apple is shining like a jewel. And the dark blue apple is glowing like the night sky. Hooray! We did it! All our apples are colorful and sparkly. You did an amazing job. Keep drawing and coloring, little artists. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.